All right, beautiful people. To continue our saga on integers, today we're going to talk about how can we compare two integers using number lines. Now, the comparison on number lines makes it so much easier for you to tell if something is bigger or smaller. So the first thing I want us to remember is what an integer is. And an integer, remember, is a positive or negative whole number. And some of the examples we've given are numbers like positive 1, negative 15, negative 27, positive 39, positive 4,362, negative 9 million, okay, etc., etc., etc. So all of these numbers are integers. So when you have two integers, you can compare them and decide which one is bigger. I like to use a number line to do that because now we know how to put integers on the number line. So let's look at a number line. I'm going to draw a nice number line on here. I know it's a little bit off center. I know yours will be too. You can use a straight edge to draw it a little better if you want to. So here's a 0, and here are the positive numbers. Positives. And here on the left are the negative numbers. Remember, negatives, okay? So when you're looking at a number line, the bigger numbers are going to be to the right, bigger. And the smaller numbers are going to be to the left. Okay, so if you're comparing two numbers on a number line, the smaller number is going to be further to the left. So for example, let's say you're comparing the number 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, you already know that 5 is a bigger number, but on the number line, it is clearly a bigger number because it is further to the right on the number line. Okay, so anytime you have two integers on the number line, the bigger one is to the right. So I'm going to actually write that over here on the right-hand side. On the number line, bigger numbers are further right. Okay, so then let's compare some numbers. We're going to compare first two positive numbers. So let's compare the number 9 and 11. Which is bigger? Okay, so in order to compare these two, I already have some intuition. I can already think that 11 is bigger, but I'm going to check it on a number line. So I'm going to draw my number line. Okay, and since 9 and 11 are both positive numbers, I don't need very much space on the negative side. So I'm going to start 0 actually pretty far to the left. Okay, and then I'm just going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Notice when I got to 9 and 11, I marked it, and I'm going to put those big dots on there, okay? Now again, from earlier, I need to remember that the bigger number is further to the right, which means that 11, because 11 is further to the right, is bigger. So then I'll write 11 is bigger. Okay, kind of intuitive. It's something that you already knew. Well, yeah, of course 11's bigger. It's a bigger number. Okay, I count to 11. I have to get past 9 to get there. Okay, so what gets tricky is when we start adding in negative numbers. So let's do a positive and a negative number. Let's do positive 3 and negative 1. Which is bigger? Okay, and then I'll do this in the next video because I'm running out of time.